Hello, this is Larry Cook with Larry Cook Heating and Cooling, and today we're beside a furnace that's been installed and just wanted to talk to you about maintenance and what needs to happen this fall. This is a train line. This is one of our main lines that we handle, a 90% furnace. But one of the things I wanted to show you, things that we do to maintenance, is there's a set of burners that sets up here. And what we always try to do, there's an orifice and then a burner, and then the flames go into the heat exchanger, and that's what produces the heat. One of the things that we always do is we pull these burners and we clean them, because sometimes what will end up happening is you'll get like cobwebs and things like that. You can get debris in there, and we clean it because what you're trying to do is get the bluest flame you can, because that's the hottest flame. And so that's one of the things we check in induced draft fan motors and in blower motors to make sure that they're properly oiled and that things are working right. And what happens is a lot of times people don't realize if you're not keeping these burners clean, they become a yellow flame. That's what produces soot and has problems with it. So that soot can actually line the heat exchanger, and then you don't get the radiation, the temperature that's running through there, and you don't want that. And so just taking care of it and do just general maintenance every year makes a really big difference, and makes your equipment last longer, because you know that they're oiled correctly, that your burners are running, the air adjustments taken care of, and we would like to help you this year in your fall service. So this is one of the systems, or if you're just needing a new system quoted, let us do that because we give free estimates.